Morning everyone. This is Sharyu from Robotics and Automation Department 6M GMIT College. My teammates are Girish and Akshay. Today the presentation is on Six Sigmas of Quality Management Tools and Techniques. The contents that are to be covered in this PPT are Introduction to Six Sigma, Need of Six Sigma, DMAC method, Definition Phase Tool, Measuring Phase Tool, Analysis Phase Tool, Improving Phase Tools, Controlling Phase Tools, 7 Basic Quality Tools, Benefits of Six Sigma, and Conclusion.
So let's start with the introduction. Six Sigma is a quality methodology that helps organizations reduce defects, variation, and waste in process so products and services become more consistent and reliable. Its goal is to nearest performance, often expressed as about 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Need of Six Sigma. Six Sigma is needed to reduce the defects, errors, and processes variation so that products and services become more consistent and reliable. Some of the needs of Six Sigma are: it improves product service and quality, it reduces waste, rework, delays, and unnecessary cost in a process. It helps organizations make decisions based on data instead of guesswork. It increases customer satisfaction. It supports continuous improvement and better overall efficiency. DMASA method. It is a 5-step problem-solving method used in Six Sigma, which are define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Define is the identify the problem. Define is the identification of the problem, goal, scope, and customer requirements. Measure is used to collect data and establish the current performance baseline. Analyze, study the data and find the root cause of the defects and variations. Improve, develop, test, and implement solutions. Control, monitor the process and maintain the gains over time. Define phase tools. In Six Sigma, the define phase use tools that help clearly state the problem, set the product scope, and identify customers and stakeholders. Common define phases are project charter, SIPOC diagram, which is suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, and customer at a high level. Voice of the customer VOC captures customer needs and expectations. Affinity diagram. It is used to group ideas or issues into themes useful in brainstorming.
Measure phase is a Six Sigma focuses on collecting the data. Process mapping shows the current process steps currently. Data collection plan defines what data is collected, how, when, and how. Check sheets used to record data in a structured way. Measurement system analysis MSA checks whether the measurement method is accurate and consistent. Analysis phase tool. Analysis phase tool is a Six Sigma is the stage where you identify the root cause and problem using data and analysis. Cause and effect diagram. Least possible cause of the problem. Pareto chart helps to find few causes that creates most of the impact. Hypothesis testing. Check whether the suspected cause is statistically significant. Integration analysis shows the relationship between the input and output. Scatter diagram visualization the relationship between two variables.
Improve Phase Tool in Six Sigma uses the tool to help generate solution, test them, and choose the best way to fix the root cause. Common Improve Phase Tools are brainstorming, generates possible outcomes, affinity diagram, group ideas into themes, nominal group technique, helps prioritize ideas systematically, pick chart, ranks solutions by ease and impact, design of experiment, tests which changes really improve the process. Control Phase Tool. The Control Phase Tool in Six Sigma uses the tool that helps sustain and improve the prevent causes process from defining back to the old problem. Common control phase tools are statistical process control, monitors process stability over time. Control charts shows variations and detect unusual changes early. Control plan documents have the process will be monitored and controlled. Work instructions standardize the improved process. Training plan ensure people follow the new process correctly. 7 basic quality tools. The 7 basic quality tools are simple techniques used to identify, analyze, and solve quality problems. The 7 tools are cause and effect diagram, check sheets, control charts, histogram, Pareto chart, scatter diagram, Stratification. Benefits of Six Sigma. Six Sigma main benefits are improving quality, fewer defects, lower costs, and higher customer satisfaction. Key benefits are improved quality, cost reduction, better customer satisfaction, higher productivity, data-driven decisions. Conclusion. In conclusion, Six Sigma is the structured method for improving processes by reducing the variation and defects in DMAIC phase. Define, measure, analyze, improve and control help terms solve problems systematically, while tools like Pareto charts, fishbone diagrams, control charts and DOE support each step. Overall, Six Sigma improves the quality, lowers cost, increases customer satisfaction and helps organization maintain long-term performances. Thank you.